Now, to create or to trace different formation that are available within our map, we have to go to the formation attribute table and now add field here. Add field, name it name. I'll put the name of the formation here, so I named it, and change the data type. Short, long, big integer, float, double, all these are used for the integers and as well as for the digits. And I will select text. Now save it from here, save it so that your field should be added here. Now cross it. You have successfully added the name field here. Now we will check our geological map that what formation are available are within our map, so that we will be adding those formation name within the attribute table or form of the formation shapefile. So let me check it. This is the geological map. So we have Ormara Formation, extrusive mud volcanoes, recent subrecent deposit, Haru conglomerates, Parkini Formation, Hengelaj Formation, and Panjgod Formation. We will add one by one in the shapefile. So click to add new row. Now Ormara Formation. Now click to add new row and check mud volcanoes. Enter. Now we have added all of the formation into our shapefile. Now go to edit and save it from here so that all of your data within the attribute table will be saved from here. Yes. Now cross it and also save your project. Alright. Now right click on the formation and go to Symbology. Select the unique values and add all of the formation names, and you can select field the name. All of your formation will be added here. I don't need all other values, so I will uncheck it from here. More, include all other values, I will uncheck it. I don't need all other values. Okay, so you can see that the order of our formation is uh, not in the proper order, so we will order our formation from the order in the bottom and younger at the top. So to do this, click on the recent deposit. This is actually Ormara formation is actually the younger formation here, but the recent deposit is the younger formation here. So I will select the recent deposit, and I will move selected value up. You can up this from here, from this upward arrow, but you can also select and drag that to the top. I'll prefer this one because this is very easy to do it. So now mud volcano, then Ormara formation, and now let me check the Haro and Perkini. Now go to the symbology again from here, or you can go to the right click on the formation and go to the symbology from there as well. Now once again let me check the Haro, Perkini, Hinglaj. Haro, Perkini, Hinglaj, and Pogo. Okay, so I have ordered all of my all of my formations. So now I'm able to digitize or trace those formation